I haven't done a trade breakdown in a while. Let's get on the charts and let me show you what we're working with here. All right, so first of all, on Euro USD, this was a setup right here that I called out perfectly because the market broke below support. It came back up, retested into resistance, which, by the way, resistance happens to be right at 1.17, a perfect psychological level. That is not by chance. What are the chances that the market is finally able to break below 117 and then it pulls back right into it, giving us two beautiful rejection candles right there, which from there, the sell was taken and then the continuation down. Now, this is a trade that I didn't actually execute on my account. I called it out. I knew it had a high probability of working, but the main reason why I did not take it was because I had already entered in a trade that looked just like this on Euro JPY. So why would I enter it on Euro USD if obviously there's going to be some correlation there? But it was actually a very unlucky thing, whereas like the trade on Euro JPY that I was in ended up reversing, but the one on Euro USD was perfect. But let's get into some of the reasons why this is such a good trade, so that way you guys can get something of value from this and you can go replicate this in your own charts. First thing you're going to notice starting off on the daily time frame is that it's with the higher time frame. Remember, the trade right around here, right? 1.17. The market broke below. Yes, I know if you look left, it looks like, there is some bullishness on the daily, but what you have to look more so is the recent candles. The actual candlesticks that have been printing recently were all bearish and we were actually able to break below. As you see here, we have a big rejection to the bottom, of course, because we broke below 117, and that's going to cause the market to have a pretty big reaction. It also tapped 116,500 or close to it. So of course, pulls back, but ultimately, as you see here, once it got to the 4-hour EMA up here, the market rejected and then continued down. So even though we reached up here all the way to 117,400, ultimately it's still respecting the bearish market structure because you have this low here, this low, this low. So they're all lower. You can easily draw a trend line and just see the trend to the downside here. Perfect. Now, what do you see? Well, you have a rejection candle and strong candles to the downside. The market breaks below, retest into 1.17 psychological level, which from there is when I knew it was a good place to take this sell position. Now, the take profit was perfect, 116,250, right at the area of support to the left. So nothing happens by chance. Everything happens for a reason. It literally came down to the exact same area of support and then bounced off with a massive move to the upside. Like, how there's people that say like, oh, support and resistance is fake because you can just draw it anywhere on your screen. Well, how do you explain this? Like, it literally bounced right at the exact area to the left. Like, where else would it have bounced? Would it have bounced here? No. Here? No. It literally bounced right at the bottom. So it's not by chance. You always want to place your take profit in these areas like this. Now, this right here, this is just a possible prediction of what may happen next. I'm thinking we might get a bounce off of here, but still not sure about that until we see further price action. That was more so just a projection. But this move down, I was actually very confident about. So, it happens to be that it was unfortunate. I actually put my money behind the Euro JPY and I ended up losing about 6K on it. But actually, instead of saying losing 6K, I would just go ahead and say that my account went down by 6K. It's not like I actually lost 6K. It's a different type of mindset. Like the account just went down a little bit, but the account goes up. Like the account in general goes higher and higher. So I don't really mind that it went down 6K because of course it's going to go down sometimes. The market and the equity curve on my account is not just going to be a straight line to the upside. No, it doesn't make sense. Of course, it needs to have these little dips. So yeah, lost 6K here. Didn't lose the full stop loss. It was a little bit before, like slightly before. It's basically the full stop loss. But as this is a 1 to 2.4 risk to reward, we can quickly calculate how much we would have profited off that. So let me just pull out the calculator here. Total risk was what? 7K? All right, so 7K risk. If we look at the risk to reward here, it is 2.4. 7K risk times 2.4. So if it would have hit the full take profit, this trade could have potentially made around 16.8K without commission. You know, maybe after commission, maybe you could keep 16.2. So 16.2 is what you could have made. Instead, I lost 6K, or I didn't lose 6K, but the account went down by 6K. That's the right mindset to have. So yeah, I mean, literally it was the same trade as Euro USD, but it just happened to be that it didn't play out. Now, there are a couple of things I could have done better, but I'm going to be honest. When I saw this move down right here, when I saw this rejection right on the 2-hour EMA, I was like, oh, for sure this is going to take profit. So, you know, it is what it is. This goes to show you're not always going to be right about the market. It doesn't matter how confident you are. It doesn't matter how good you are, right? Like, I would like to say that like this strategy by now, I've been trading it for years. I'm pretty locked in on this strategy. Like, I've tested it for hundreds of hours. Like, I know what I'm doing with this. And you're still going to have trades that simply reverse. You know, it's like saying the best basketball player in the world or the best shooter, like the best shooter in basketball, is never going to miss a shot. Does it make sense? It just doesn't make sense. You could become very, very good, but you're not going to avoid every missed shot. There's a couple of setups I was looking for. Nothing on GBP NZD right now. USD CHF, I'm in a position right now. I'm ready to manage this, right? Like, I don't care if this reverses, I'm going to manage it. I'm not going to lose anything on this, because the reason why is because I understand that this is a risky trade. So like, I already have a game plan. I entered in at the 50% Fibonacci, beautiful 4-hour area of support, and the 50 EMA, and rejection candles on the bottom. Super confident about the entry itself. Now, do I know if it's going to continue? No, I don't know what's going to happen once we reach here or once we reach 0.8 psychological, because there's a couple of reasons. I'm not going to get into all of the reasons, but just a quick one off the top is that this move down that it made was a little bit too strong. So what may occur is a little reversal, but that's fine. Even if it does happen, I took this because the entry was so solid that I knew I was going to have some profit. So 1.9K right now, floating in profit. I have a plan for if it goes up and then reverses down. So very, very good trade. This is what I was talking about. The account goes up. It doesn't really matter that, you know, one day, okay, the account goes down by 6K. It's going to go back up the other day by 10K, 12K, 16K. You know, you're not always going to win. It doesn't matter. What matters is continuing, just moving forward with the same type of strategy. This looks like an exact trade that I took on Euro USD like a month or two ago. I remember it perfectly. I entered in right before these candles started to give me the confirmation. And that's what gave me such a good entry, because timing is everything. I'm working with traders one-on-one, helping them get profitable and helping them get funded. Everything's one-on-one. I go over your trading and all of the trades they've actually taken on calls. So if you're looking for that, if you're looking for a more hands-on type of mentorship, definitely check out the link in the description below.